I think what I'm holding in my hand right now is the cutest collaboration of 2023. So this very nostalgic PR package is from Makeup Revolution. It's their collaboration with Disney Pixar's Monster University. So if y'all watched Monsters Inc. or Monsters University like I did growing up, I thought we'd take a trip down memory lane and unbox this box together and see all the goodies that are inside. I'm so excited. Let's just get started. Okay, I took all the products out because they would fall out, but I just want to show you the inside of the box. Super cute, very festive. Love the blue, whatever this is called. I love the cute little Mike Wazowski and the James P. Sullivan. You can't say Mike Wazowski without saying it like that. Oh, and so you all know I am giving away this entire collection today to one lucky viewer. So make sure you stick around for the full video so you can find out later on how to enter today's giveaway. Okay, so let's get started. We have a cute little makeup bag here. I think this is so adorable. I can't open it because there's like a latch thingy on it and I don't want to rip it because I want to give it away. But it's super, super soft. Like this is exactly how I pictured James P. Sullivan's fur to feel like. It's very, very soft. Like I could literally sleep on this. It's so soft. Look at my eyes right now. Anyway, so cute. I love this. And yes, I matched my eyes to my shirt today. Okay, these are literally so cute. So this is a blush. Okay, on the front, it's literally squishy. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Now, since I am giving away all of these products, I want to be very careful to not actually touch the actual product, okay? Okay. So this is the blush, super cute. That color is stunning. It's a beautiful cream blush, so I would normally be excited to try this out, but one of y'all are gonna get to try this out. Up next is the Mike Wazowski highlighter. Now this is giving literally nothing. Like there's nothing going on. Like if you didn't tell me this was a highlighter, I probably wouldn't know because there's no shine. There's no shimmer, there's no glimmer, no glitter, no popping, no sparkle. There's nothing.
Take your drink. Okay, you okay?
Maybe it's like one of those sleeper highlighters where you're like, oh, this isn't gonna be anything, and it's like, bam, like in your face blinding. Who knows? Up next, we have 4 lip products. We have a lip oil, 2 lip glosses, and a lipstick. Okay, here is the lipstick component. This is super cute. I just think this is so fun. Here's the color. That is so vibrant. Oh, I would love to try this on. And also I misspoke. It's 2 lipsticks, a lip gloss, and a lip oil, by the way. But here's another lipstick. Again, packaging is super cute. Ooh, that's a beautiful, beautiful color. Wow. Also, the bullet literally looks perfect. So this is the lip oil. Ooh, this looks like it would be so juicy. Just a beautiful kind of pinkish purple. Love that. Smells kind of like, it smells like berry, so I guess that's to be expected. Okay, this one is super cool. Just a light blue into purple. I think that's super, super fun. All right, so moving right along, we have 4 mini eyeshadow palettes. Okay, so this one, unfortunately, I could already tell is broken. I shouldn't even open it, but it's broken, it's falling out, and I'm now making a mess, so y'all won't be getting this one, but it was pretty. One moment. Sorry, I had to clean red pigment off of my brand new carpet. Thankfully my carpet's like super dark gray, but that's not the point.
Okay.
Okay, this is the Mike Wazowski and James P. Sullivan mini palette. This is super fun and super cute. Definitely the colors, like there is obviously Mike's color, there is James's color, and obviously a little variation. But it also has like fun little facts like the professional scaring record. So I think that's just such a cute touch. Like my favorite thing, like I'm not a huge fan actually of makeup companies partnering with like Disney and just all the things that all these brands just keep doing. At some point I'm like, okay, stop. But when they do it right, I love it. And like, this is how you do it right. It's the attention to detail. It's the fun little quirky things. It's just super fun and whimsical. And this is when it's like, yeah, you get an okay from me. Next up is the Randall Boggs mini eyeshadow palette. Again, a bunch of little scare records that are on the bottom. Super fun colors. I really like that they have like the perfect shade right here for like each character. I just think that's so fun. And the little R at the top for Randall. This is stunning and I wish I could keep this, but I won't. Okay, last out of just the mini palettes is the Don Carlton palette. Again, super cute inside. I love his little color down here, which is called Mrs. Squibbles. More facts over here. Like, for example, his weight is 289 pounds and he was born on July 18th, in case you had a burning desire to know that. These are actually all so cute, including the one that was unfortunately damaged because that's one of like the cutest ones. So like, so sorry. Now last but most certainly not least is this big banger of a palette. So this is actually 6 9-pan palettes all put together. So let's open these up. Like, fingers crossed that none of these are broken. Like I get so nervous when they send like a bunch of palettes like this because I'm like, oh, one's gonna be broken. But if we can get through all of these different eyeshadow palettes and only have one damaged, I think that's pretty good. Now I'm scared because there's a little bit of red on the back of this. Like I don't know if you can see up there's some red pigment. It might just be from the one that was already broken and not from this specifically. So we'll find out. Hold on, let me open it up. Okay, oh, thank God. This is magnificent. First off, nothing's damaged. Like, that's literally incredible. But I actually thought they were going to be all individual and they were just like sitting beside each other. But no, literally all 9 of these palettes are put together. Like, it's one giant palette, but it's like 9 individual palettes. You get what I'm saying. This is so cool. There are so many colors here. Wow. Like, so many different color stories, especially this one over here where it's like almost all shimmers. Wow. I'm like beside myself. Like, I wish I could keep this, but obviously I can't now that I'm like giving it to y'all. But like, whoever gets this, please show me like you using this palette. This is phenomenal. Sorry. Okay, I'm just like upset. Look at that mirror. Like, that's crazy. Okay, anyway, moving on. Okay, I'm literally in like nostalgia heaven. This is such a cute collaboration. I would absolutely say that this is probably the first collection I've seen this entire year, all of 2023, where I'm like, this is a 10 out of 10 for me. This is fun. It's done right. There's so many collaborations that I'm just like, oh, you're capitalizing on, you know, some nostalgia. You're capitalizing on something fun that people love and enjoy, and then you ruin it because you're cheap and you're just trying to like get stuff out quickly.
Color pop.
But this was not one of those things. This was very thought through and put together. Like, even the locker that it was sent in was super fun and like totally makes sense, of course. I think the bag is super fun. It's very playful. It's very soft. I really, really, really love this. I love all the individual little palettes. We only had one that was broken, so I think overall that's pretty good. I think the lip products looked very, very cute. They're all very unique, especially, I believe it was this one, the lip oil, where it was like the blue and the purple. I definitely like to see what that looks like on somebody. And they all smelled great. But more than anything was this big banger of a palette. This is incredible. Like I said, I was super shocked with this because it's literally 6 9-pan palettes all put together. This is like a colossal mega eyeshadow palette, and I'm literally gagged.
What?
So like I said, I'm going to be giving away every single one of these products minus that broken little mini palette to one of you subscribers, of course. So here's how to enter. 1, of course, be subscribed to my YouTube channel. 2, make sure you like this video. 3, comment below just what in general is your favorite Disney movie. And last but not least, if you would love to share today's video, I would greatly appreciate it. All of your comments, likes, shares, all that kind of stuff definitely helps my channel. I'm really trying to pump out the long form content again and get back on track with that and not just stick with shorts like I have been for the last like year and a half. So every little bit of help that I can get from you literally can make the biggest difference. But that's all I have for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed today's Makeup Revolution X Disney Pixar's Monsters University unboxing. Thank you all so much for watching. Good luck on the giveaway, and I'll see you in the next one.